What's up guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to take that first step. In today's video, I'm going to talk about two social media platforms that you can do as a side hustle to gain some quick bucks, right? And these platforms are YouTube and TikTok. So within this video, I'm going to discuss which social media platform provide the most benefit to the creators and the platform in terms of finance and also value. So let's get into the video. Alright, so let's start first with TikTok. So TikTok is a social media platform where you upload short clips of yourself, whether doing videos, pranks, entertainment, educational content, food, a lot of videos. Whatever niche you want to pick, it's up to you. You can do vlogs as well, short tutorials. So TikTok have all that. The disadvantage with this though, the clips have to be short, to the point. So 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, etc. And creators can create content 15 to a minute, up to a minute, but you have to get straight to the point. And in order for you to do well on this platform, you have to grow your following, obviously. Grow your following. Say for instance you are at 100,000 followers on the platform, you might be able to join the TikTok Creator Fund, where they give you X amount of money based on how your videos are performing. But until you reach that creator fund, you also can get some financial benefit from sponsors and also your own affiliate backlinks based on the type of content you are producing. So if you are producing content, say technology gears like camera and stuff like that, you can have a link in your description or in your bio saying, hey, if you want this product, click the link in my description, and also make some cool money from your affiliate. But that is if your videos are doing really well. For you to do well on TikTok, your videos have to have 3 criteria, maybe more, but these are the most dominant criteria, right? Your video have to be to the point in a sense that entertaining, grab your viewers attention within the first 10 seconds. That's one. If your videos are too long, the main point is at the back, then probability TikTok won't promote your videos, because videos perform based on audience retention, watch time. So if you have a 1 minute video, persons are watching that 1 minute video for 10 seconds, obviously the video is not doing well, so TikTok won't promote that video. But if that same video, 1 minute video, persons are watching 45 seconds, it will end up on the TikTok For You page. And what the TikTok For You page is like the home page of TikTok. So once someone go on the home page, they will see your video show. So it's like a little publicity you are getting when you're on the For You page. If your video don't end up on the For You page, you only get views from persons who follow you, basically. So they will, once you upload a video, they get the notification and watch it. But if it ends up on the For You page, you will get both persons who are following you plus new viewers. So your video has to be to the point. Next thing is your video has to be optimized with the TikTok resources. Hashtag really helps your videos to rank higher in search, basically. So if you are doing educational content based on what topic you are teaching, they can hashtag maths, hashtag stuff like that, and you can do research on the type of hashtags that will help to show your content more. And the more you are on the TikTok platform, the more you will know how the platform operates. It operates totally different from YouTube. Alright, let's go to the monetary side of it. Alright, so TikTok pays 4 cents per 1,000 views. That's not a lot. 4 cents per 1,000 views. So if you get 2,000 views, you probably get 8 cents, right? And that's not really a lot compared to YouTube, right? But I will talk about YouTube after this. But 4 cents per 1,000 views. But the thing is, unlike YouTube, TikTok videos are more likely to go viral. because TikTok, you can't really understand the algorithm. Say this video will perform good, this will perform that. You will upload a video that you didn't intend for it to go viral, and then on uploading it the next day you realize that it is in the hundreds of thousands of views. So that rationalizes the small gap between 4 cents, because what if say you get $10 per 1,000 views, people blow up every time on TikTok, then I think the platform will be bankrupt. Yes, but yeah, basically like 4 cents per 1,000 views. Also, you get money from sponsorship, the TikTok creator fund. There's a lot of ways, but compared to YouTube now, with YouTube, for you to start earning money, you can do sponsorship as well, affiliate links, same as TikTok, but also to gain real money from YouTube without none of that, you have to get your channel accepted into the YouTube partner program, and that is you have to have 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months. Then you can apply for the YouTube partner program. But unlike TikTok, which provide 4 cents per 1,000 views, YouTube provide $3 per 1,000 views. And I should not say $3 per 1,000 views. It depends on the niche that you are in. If you are in the finance niche, example, you probably get for 1,000 views $30. If you are in the educational niche, you probably get $20 per 1,000 views. For gaming, entertainment, $10 per 1,000 views. And those are just some example figures. So compared to TikTok with the 4 cents, on the monetary side of things, the finance side of things, YouTube provide more incentive to the creators on the platform. But what to note though, unlike TikTok where you can upload a video, a very simple video, and you go viral, it's not so easy to go viral on YouTube. You're probably doing a YouTube video, for instance, and that video get like 4,000 views. But say for instance you create a shorter version of that video and place it on TikTok, you probably get 200,000 views. So it has its advantage. TikTok has its advantage, also disadvantage. YouTube has its advantage and disadvantage. YouTube prefers longer videos, or YouTube is for longer videos that are over a minute long. Unlike TikTok where short videos, to the point videos, YouTube you can have tutorials, long educational content, even podcasts and stuff like that. TikTok you can't do those type of things. YouTube audience is mostly elderly, 18 and over basically. TikTok you don't really have a barrier. Kids, everyone, TikTok, due to the nature of things, everything is just fast paced. You watch a funny video, move along, just keep it moving. YouTube, you can just watch a specific creator for an hour, just watch a long video basically. So both platforms provide incentives, it's just which platform match your personality. So if I'm really into comedy, you can create short skits on TikTok, go viral and grow your following. On YouTube, it's a bit challenging. Yeah, but if I should choose, I will choose YouTube over TikTok due to the fact that YouTube is a social media that is going to be for here forever basically. TikTok can go away any minute now. I'm not saying it will go away now, but YouTube has a reputation of, because YouTube part with Google. YouTube is not going, Google is not going anywhere, so YouTube won't go anywhere either. So I would grow my following on YouTube and say for instance do TikTok on the side basically. So I would push both social media platform. I would grow my following on both platforms because both platforms have their ups and downs. And also, fun fact, the videos that you do on TikTok, you can also re-upload them to YouTube as YouTube shorts and still profit from those videos. So if person watch your YouTube shorts in the YouTube shorts section, you won't get money from ads. But if someone watch the YouTube shorts on your home page, just click on every video, you'll probably get some ads revenue from that. And also, it's free content. You already create the content on TikTok, so you just re-upload it to YouTube, right? And also you can get money from YouTube Creator Fund or the shorts. I'm not sure about that. So yes, both social media platforms both social media platforms have their disadvantage and also their advantage. If I should choose again, YouTube, I will choose. Still do TikTok on the side and make some side hustle from these social media platforms. Again, my name is Nicardo. Shirley, thanks for watching. Hope you do enjoy this video, and again, take that. I'm out.